Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make no-bake energy bites? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic. Now come on, subscribe to the channel. There are tons of activities, games, craft ideas and baking, like today. So go on, it's free to do so, and we're getting to our 10,000 subscribers. So come on, help us out. Today I'm going to teach you how to do no-bake energy bites. And what you're going to need is all of this. So you're going to need some oats, flax seeds, some coconut, creamy peanut butter, honey, vanilla extract, and some chocolate chips. So in a bowl, what you're going to do is you're going to mix these all together. So you want a cup of oats. You want 2/3 of coconut. You want half a cup of flax seeds. You want half a cup of chocolate chips. You want 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You want half a cup of creamy peanut butter. And then you want 1/3 cup of honey. And once that's all dolloped in there, then you're going to mix it all together really well. Once that's all mixed together, then you want to put that in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Once it's been in the fridge, what you want to do is you want to get a tray and you want to roll them into a ball around about 1 inch. And there you have it, some no-bake energy bites. Really cool, really fun, and really simple to make. If I can do it, anyone can do it, honestly. And there we are, tasty treats. Ooh. Really look gorgeous. But if you enjoyed this video, then obviously give it a thumbs up and share it around. Come on, subscribe to the channel, you know, free tons of ideas and things like this. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.